safe is your switchboard? How safe are your workers? The consequences of an arcing fault on your switchboard can be catastrophic. At best, you'll encounter damage to your switchgear, loss of service, large downtime, and loss of production. And at worst, possible injury or death to the operator working close to the switchboard. Keeping your electrical maintenance workers away from your large switchboard is the best way to reduce the risk of injury or death due to an arcing fault. NHP has the solution. Introducing the TemPower Rack. Designed and built by NHP, the TemPower Rack is a remote air circuit breaker racking solution specifically developed for use with the Terasaki TemPower 2 AR series air circuit breaker. The TemPower Rack not only allows the user to remotely rack and close a Terasaki AR air circuit breaker, but it can also be used as a lifting aid for any installation. The TemPower Rack is battery powered and has the charge capacity for dozens of operations. And as it only uses 24 volts DC, there are no safety issues with regards to dangerous leads at high voltage. The TemPower Rack is ideal wherever safety and convenience are top priorities, and with no extra accessories or modifications required to the ACB. It can even be used in an existing installation. The TemPower Rack is controlled via a wireless pendant. This allows workers to be well away from the area of potential danger during the racking operations. The pendant features indication lamps and push buttons for simple control and feedback from a remote location. The TemPower Rack features a lifting trolley for safe lifting and transport of ACB bodies. This trolley is rated to 400 kilograms and easily lifts all ACB body sizes. The TemPower Rack drive is mounted onto the secure platform of the lifting trolley. The drive mechanism is controlled via a PLC and features a number of feedback sensors to ensure correct position indication and prevent any damage to switchgear. The drive mechanism includes indication lamps to show position and other feedbacks to the user. Pressing the Enable button makes the drive shaft rotate backwards and forwards so that it can find the correct alignment when inserting. The TemPower Rack is simply inserted into the breaker and pushed in so that the indicator matches the current ACB position. The TemPower Rack is then held in place using the locking tabs on the wheels. The ACB is racked into position by simply selecting the position on the selector switch and pressing the two buttons. The indication lamps on the pendant and the drive will light up to show the current position and flash to show the position that was selected. The TemPower Rack can be used to close the ACB by operating the push buttons. The TemPower Rack comes with two locking pins to hold the drive mechanism in retracted position when not in use. Don't take risks any longer. Improve the safety in your switch room and isolate your workers from harm by using NHP's TemPower Rack. For further information on the TemPower Rack, please contact your local NHP sales representative.